What it do? It's your boy Manny Fresh, aka the champ, is here. You know what it is. It's another video. I'm back at it. You already know, back at it. You know what I mean? I had to extra cocky today. You know, extra cocky if you smell what the rock is cooking. But today we got, unboxing. We got the unboxing of unboxing. Maybe the most hype shoe I ever caught in this channel. No, on this channel, most expensive shoe I ever caught for sure. You know, if y'all want to take a guess, pause the vid right now. Hit that like button first. Subscribe if you haven't. And then I'll put your prediction and then press play. So, I don't want to give anything away. Whoop. I don't want to give anything away. I'm not going to tell you where I got it from. When y'all see the box, y'all will know where your boy copped it from. They want to let me open the box. Y'all know what it is. We out here, y'all know your boy struck gold on the restock. The Yeezy 700 Wave Runner. Y'all see a Wave Runner. Let me tell you a story real quick. How I got them. We all knew they were restocking. And your boy was playing the beta of Black Ops 4, Blackout, putting in work, taking over like I usually do and everything I do. And I haven't been up this late in ages. It was 3 o'clock in the morning, and I peeped my phone. I get a tweet. Yeezy supply goes, Wave Runners are live, son. I said, what? Huh? Hey? Who? Get? And I tried getting on it. And I said, YOLO, bro. I've been working. I deserve me a pair of shoes like these. Or if anything, I could just sell them down the line, win-win. It's not a lose-lose. And I want to have them on the channel, the IBs. So I'm checking out, while I'm still trying to play Blackout, waiting in between things to check out. Boom, 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 boom. And I get the confirmation email. This shit was real. If you were up at 3, you got him. If you weren't, you done. But it's the first Yeezy of many more to come. Well, not the first, because I had a couple. If you backtrack. But the first 700. We got a couple more pickups on the way. So stay tuned for that. Let me show you what we're dealing with out here. I got the box. For some reason, they want to suffocate the shit out of the shoe. We got that straight fuego. And these low-key have grown on me. I will do a review. I don't know if I'll do it on feet because I don't know if I'm going to keep them. I still don't know. But y'all see them. It's the Yeezy 700 Wave Runner. Don't ask me how much it costs because that shit hurt my pocket. I'm still hurting. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do and sometimes you gotta spoil yourself. Whether I keep them or sell them, it don't matter. Stay tuned for a review. I got more pickups coming. When I got pickups, it's legit back to back to back to back to back to back. Lucky your boy is working. Sorry I haven't been putting out vids. I've been working. Now I'll have a steady schedule. We'll see how that goes. Other than that, hit that like button, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Twitter. You already know. The champ is out.